Homesteading has its many rewards, and one of the rewards is being able to harvest or hunt or grow your own food. And that's what this episode is about this morning. I'm going to be making breakfast. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Pine Meadows Hobby Farm. I'm your host, Jerry Hanson. This morning we're going to be making a homestead breakfast using stuff that we've harvested from the homestead and a couple of things that were gifted to us. So we're going to start by pulling out my cast iron skillets, and then I'm going to grab some venison steak. That's right, some venison steak from venison I got this last fall. And a duck egg I harvested this morning, fresh from the duck's patoot. And then we had a gift of some sweet potatoes and onions, so I'm going to saute those in a little bit of butter, and then we're going to soften those with a little bit of water, cover them, let them cook for a little bit, and then we're ready to serve once the steak is all seared and browned and cooked. Doesn't that look delicious? Now I'm eager to sit down and enjoy this for breakfast, and I will see you guys in other videos. My name is Jerry Hanson. I'm your host here at Pine Meadows Hobby Farm. We're a modern homestead tucked high in the Cascade Ranges of the Pacific Northwest. Please subscribe and click that bell icon, and that clues you in on new videos as I create them and upload them. And you can follow our adventures of how to homestead, or even how not to homestead. Please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and you can follow us on social media. We're on Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Reddit, Google+, and Blogger. And let's not forget another important vital ingredient on a breakfast: coffee or black martini. We'll see you guys in more videos. I'm gonna get busy. Bye-bye.